this tutorial we're going to cover how to update PHP on your web server, because each account can run its own individual version of PHP, which is the language that's used by the server to deliver your web pages. That needs to be done on the actual control panel through the server itself. The reason I'm showing the Joomla administration area is this will be the area you're most familiar with. You may log in here to manage your website and add content, and you'll see this message that says the PHP version is only receiving security fixes. On the server we've actually provisioned for PHP 7.1 and 7.2, and the website should work perfectly fine with either one of those. But before you do any updates, I would suggest that you log into the administration area and just go to components and Akiba backup, and then just click default backup profile. This will back up your website, the content, images, template, and any configuration changes on the website. So should the worst happen, you can very easily just revert the website back to how it was. Just wait for that to finish. Okay, and what we need to do now is go back to the control panel, and we'll just check which PHP version we're running just to confirm. Go to system information and PHP information, and it tells us there which version we're running. Okay, so now we need to go to the control panel, which you may or may not be familiar with, but it's quite easy. You just copy your domain name and open up a new browser, paste that in, and then at the end put the / and then cpanel. You should have this login from when you originally set up the website. If not, just raise a support ticket and we'll get that to you. And what we need to do here is just find PHP, the PHP multi-PHP manager, and you'll probably only have one domain listed. And we'll take that from PHP 7 to PHP 7.2, apply. We'll just go back to the admin area now and just check that, and it says 7.2.9. So that's it done, very quick and easy. Just a quick check on the web, and that all appears to be working fine. Just navigate around the website to check everything. Brilliant. So that's it, done. If for any reason it doesn't work, you can just go back into the control panel, push it back to a previous version of PHP, and then get in touch. Just raise a support ticket through whatknowwebsite.co.uk and we'll have a look at that for you. Thank you.